5 Steps How to Handle a Woman Who's Ignoring You. Hey and welcome back to a new video from the Life School YouTube channel. Feel frustrated when you think about a woman who's ignoring you? Do you keep wondering what you could have done wrong? And why she has suddenly stopped responding to your messages? You are not alone. Being ignored by a woman is perhaps one of the most challenging and frustrating situations that a man can face. While many men try to shrug it off and move on, some cannot help but feel hurt and discouraged when they are ignored by the women who they care about. If you're in a situation where a woman is ignoring you, there are several things that you can do to handle the situation. We'll examine various strategies that can help you to address the issue and move forward. The psychology of ignoring. Before diving into how to handle a woman who is ignoring you, it's important to understand the psychology of ignoring. In general, people tend to ignore those who they feel are not important or are not worth their time. This is especially true when it comes to romantic relationships. There are many reasons why a woman might start ignoring a man. Some common reasons include: 1. She's not interested in him. 2. She's upset with him. 3. She's looking for attention. 4. She's testing him. 5. She's afraid of being hurt. Regardless of the reason why she's ignoring you, it's important to avoid reacting negatively or succumbing to hopelessness. Instead, you need to remain calm, rational, and focused as you figure out what your next steps should be. Step 1. Assess the situation. The first step in handling a woman who is ignoring you is to assess the situation. Take some time to reflect on what might be the cause of the problem. Consider the type of relationship that you have with her. What has been happening recently? And whether you've said or done anything that might have upset her. If you're not sure why she is ignoring you, it's okay to ask her for an explanation. However, it's important to do it in a non-confrontational manner. You don't want to put her on the defensive, as this can make the situation worse. Step 2. Communicate effectively. Effective communication is key to resolving conflicts and misunderstandings. If a woman is ignoring you, the best thing that you can do is try to open lines of communication with her. One effective way to do this is by sending her an email or text message letting her know that you would like to talk. If she doesn't answer or is hesitant, don't push her. Simply let her know that you're there when she's ready. When you are communicating with her, it's essential to be understanding, patient, and respectful. Avoid laying blame or accusing her of anything. Instead, try to stay focused on your efforts to resolve the issue at hand. Step 3. Give her space. Sometimes, a woman might need space to sort through her feelings or deal with personal issues. If she is ignoring you and doesn't seem receptive to communication, it might be best to give her space. This doesn't mean that you should completely ignore her as well. Instead, you can try sending her a friendly message every now and then, letting her know that you're there and care about her. Step 4. Focus on yourself. While it's important to try and resolve any issues in your relationship, it's also crucial to take care of yourself. Make sure that you are taking care of your physical and emotional health, and that you're working towards your goals and aspirations. By focusing on yourself, you'll become more confident, motivated, and respected by others. This can be incredibly attractive to a woman who might have previously been ignoring you. Step 5. Move on. Despite your efforts to communicate and resolve the issue, there are times when a woman might continue to ignore you. If this is the case, it's important to be honest with yourself and accept that it's time to move on. This can be particularly difficult if you've been invested in the relationship for some time. However, by moving on, you can become stronger, happier, and more emotionally stable. You can find new and exciting opportunities for love and companionship. And you might even find that your previous relationship was holding you back from realizing your true potential. Conclusion. Handling a woman who is ignoring you is never easy. It's important to remain calm, patient, and focused on your goals when trying to resolve the situation. By assessing the situation, communicating effectively, giving her space, focusing on yourself, and moving on if necessary, you can gradually move towards a healthier and happier future. Remember, the most important thing is to look after yourself and take care of your emotional and physical well-being. With time, patience, and a positive mindset, you can find a relationship that is truly rewarding and fulfilling. If you liked this video, share with friends and family. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.